UJT definition: a uni-junction transistor (UJT) is a device that is formed with the single junction of p-type and the n-type of the semiconductor material. It resembles to that of the diode with the single junction of the p-n. It looks almost like that of the junction field effect transistor (JFET). But the operation is completely different in comparison with it. UJT characteristics: 1. It requires very low amounts of the voltage to get triggered. 2. It is capable of controlling the current pulse. 3. It consists of the negative value of the resistance. 4. The cost of this transistor is very low. The advantages of uni-junction transistor include low cost. 1. Negative resistance characteristics. 2. Requires low value of triggering current. 3. A stable triggering voltage. 4. Low power absorbing device. IGBT, an insulated gate bipolar transistor. IGBT is a 3-terminal power semiconductor device used as an electronic switch which has been developed to combine high efficiency and fast switching. It consists of 4 alternating layers P and PN that are controlled by a metal oxide semiconductor MOSFET structure without regenerative action. Although the IGBT of the structure is topologically the same as a MOSFET thyristor, the thyristor action is completely suppressed and only the transistor action is permitted in the entire device operation range. It is used in high-power applications, variable frequency drives VFDs, electric cars, trains, variable speed refrigerators, lamp ballasts, and air conditioners. Applications: 1. The IGBT accounts for 27% of the power transistor market. 2. Second only to the power MOSFET 53% and ahead of the RF amplifier 11% and bipolar junction transistor 9%. BJT, a bipolar junction transistor. Bipolar transistor or BJT is a type of transistor that uses both electrons and holes as charge carriers. Unipolar transistors, such as field effect transistors, use only one kind of charge carrier. A bipolar transistor provides a small current injected to one of its terminals with a very large current flow between 2 other terminals, making the device capable of amplification or switching. Applications: 1. High-speed digital logic. 2. Amplifiers. 3. Temperature sensors. 4. Logarithmic converters etc. SCR, Silicon Control Rectifier. Thyristor is a 4-layer semiconductor device that contains alternative p-type and n-type materials PN. The most common type of thyristor is a silicon controlled rectifier (SCR), when the cathode is negatively charged with respect to the anode. The current does not flow until the pulse is applied to the gate. Application of silicon controlled rectifier (SCR). Silicon controlled rectifier (SCR) is used in AC voltage stabilizers. Silicon controlled rectifier (SCR) is used as a switch. It is used in choppers. Silicon controlled rectifier (SCR) is used for power control. It is used for the DC circuit breaker. TRIAC. The TRIAC is another 3-terminal AC switch that is triggered into conduction when a low-energy signal is applied to its gate terminal. Unlike the SCR, the TRIAC conducts in either direction when turned on. TRIAC is an abbreviation for 3-terminal AC switch. Application: low-power TRIACs are used in many applications such as 1. Light dimmers, 2. Speed controls for electric fans, and 3. Other electric motors, and 4. In the modern computerized control circuits of many household small and major appliances. A thyristor is a solid-state semiconductor device with 4 layers of alternating p and n-type materials. It acts exclusively as a bistable switch. conducting when the gate receives a current trigger, and continuing to conduct until the voltage across the device is reversed biased or until the voltage is removed by some other means. There are two designs differing in what triggers the conducting state. In a 3-lead thyristor, a small current on its gate letter controls the larger current of the anode to cathode path. In a 2-lead thyristor, conduction begins when the potential difference between the anode and cathode themselves is sufficiently large to break down voltage.